friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable and disable play video at lower resolution when on battery in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go Windows 11 setting. For that you need to keep Windows plus I, select here system, click on display, click on HDR. In this, here you scroll down little bit, click on video playback. You can see here play video at a lower resolution when on battery. From here you enable and disable. If you want enable this option, then check this box. If you want disable this option, then uncheck this box. That's it guys. So in this you enable and disable. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.